Hello everyone, welcome to my first unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing the Logitech G502. Okay, let's get started. Got it from Boxing Day. Pretty good deal for a good mouse. Not sure what I'm going to be using it for now. A lot of friction. Okay, got it from Walmart. Just gonna put this to the side for now. Receipt, Logitech on the side. Some weights in it. 16,000 DPI. Okay. Light sync, so you can specify if you add the software. It's pretty durable. I bought it because I wanted a good mouse for work. Let's open it up. Safety first, as always. Okay, that is pretty annoying. Okay, finally. Let's pull it out of the box. Gonna separate everything. Pretty nice packaging. Solid. Very small. Very well thought about, I should say. Okay. Just a mouse. It's better than I thought. Pretty good to the hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's the mouse. Some weights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weights. Okay, so this is what everything comes in the box. Safety, how to connect, pretty straightforward, and download the support, and your weights. Okay, this is how the mouse looks like. I think my favorite feature on this one is the scroll, and you can break it, and if you press the button, this is what you can do with it. Open the lower end and you can see where you can add the weights. So I'm going to go ahead and start adding the weights. It is a two-hand job, not gonna lie. And then okay, so this is how it looks like after all the weights are in. I'll bring it up close here. Okay. Just close it back up. Okay. So I don't know how you feel about this, but this is pretty heavy. If you're used to a heavy mouse is the last weight. It's pretty hard to get out. You need something sharp that goes in or pointy to take it out. It's pretty hard to do it with your hand. As you can see, I'm trying, so I'm probably using a pen. That's how it's easy. So if you want to put in some weights, check it out. I would highly recommend not putting it in here, putting it in the sides here, or this one or this one's a lot easier than putting it in this one. So Logitech says it has 11 buttons. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So right and left scroll. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Yeah, so 11 buttons, pretty good for gaming, for Fortnite, for editing. Let me know what you think. Okay, let's connect it to my laptop. Pretty cool feature here. You can see there are multiple lights, and if you download the Logitech software for G502 Hero, you can edit how you want it. You get different lights, however you want, as you're using it. So like I said earlier, it is pretty heavy with all the weights in, so I probably wouldn't be using it, but just for the sake of this video, I'll be using it with full weight. Okay, now let's open up numbers to test the scroll. See this, and it said 100,000 to 210,000. I'm gonna test it without the scroll, so this is how it goes. And this is the infinite scroll, so this is pretty cool. It's a pretty good mouse. I like it. The ergonomics are really good. Pretty good deal on Boxing Day for 50 bucks. If you're looking for a good mouse that's not that expensive, and if you want me to do more unboxing, I have a pretty cool product coming in soon. I'll be unboxing that as well. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe with your friends. Thank you.